Hey guys, it's Beth with Midlandsvinyl. I'm here to show you a super beneficial template tutorial. I want to give a huge shout out to Kim at bravodesignz for forcing me, okay, maybe not forcing me, but encouraging me to do my templates this way. Prior to using this method, whenever I would cut out a template, I would use my scissors. And what's going to happen is you're going to try to cut along these edges. And if you cut off too much or not enough, your template's not going to line up and you're going to be completely frustrated. So with this method, your Cameo is going to do all the work for you. So when you're done following this tutorial, you should be able to have a clean cut template every single time. So what I'm going to do is I have brought in my template. This template is from elliescraftyco. It is for a 14 ounce, and I'm using a 14-ounce straight from USA Tumbler Supplier. And I want to change my color. Now, you can use any color you want as long as you have two separate colors. So I'm going to come up here and I'm going to change my template to black. And I'm going to double check my measurements. The measurements for my cup is 9.438 wide by 4.875 high. Okay, that's the measurements of my cup. I'm going to come over here to my drawing tools. I'm going to select draw a rectangle. I am going to draw a rectangle. As you can see, the line is red, which is perfect because now we have red and we have black. Now what I want to do is I want to change my rectangle to match my template sizes. So that's 9.438 by 4.875. I'm going to click apply. Then I'm going to left click and select both of these. I'm going to come up to the top and I'm going to hit center. Okay, so you can't really see, you can't really see it, but the red line and the black line are perfectly centered. So now what you're going to do is you're going to hit send. Now I already have my material already preset. Like I said, I use Bougie Bond from Bougie Panda Glitter. You may want to do a test cut if you're using something different. And I encourage you to do a test cut anyway, because my settings may not be the same as yours. Okay. So here for my template, I have template Bougie Bond. And as you can see down here, my force is 32 and my blade depth is 2. The red line is going to be my edge. Okay. And so down here, I have a force of 37 and a blade depth of 10. So what's going to happen is when we hit send, the Cameo is going to go in and it's going to cut our template. Then it's going to feed right back through and cut that edge. When it's done, your template is perfectly cut every single time. It doesn't matter what template you're doing. You can use this method for every template. Okay. So I hope that this was helpful. If you found this helpful, please like this video. And if you're not already subscribed to our channel, please subscribe and make sure you have your notifications set to all. That way you don't miss any future tutorials we have coming up. I hope you have a great day and I will see you later. Bye.